Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the fault connector in your flow builder in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and then get to our uh, flow builder. So here we need just to search for flows. So basically here we will find the flows and we need to create a new one, or you can just edit your flow that you want to add a fault uh, record to it. So I'm just going to start from scratch and I'm just going to use screen flow as an example or record triggered flow, whatever. So I'm just going to click on create, and basically I will need to have my elements. And for example, I'm just going to here, and it will be update, for example, the trigger and record, etc. So now all we need to do, let's just give them label, etc. And let's configure this one. I'm going to add objects or whatever. Now we need just to add the fault connector. And now to add a fault path or a fault connector, you will need just to click on your element and click add fault path. And from here, whenever this element would throw an error, you will need to do some kind of action. So basically here, we can send an email alert as an example. Or you can, for example, screen something or show some kind of message. So here you can add a screen pop instead of this one. The most important thing is just to add an action whenever there is an error. So for example, if you add a screen pop, I'm just going to here and let's just uh, go back, and I'm just going to clear this one and go to edit element. From here, for example, you want to add a message that will pop up, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.